So we got surf and turf going on here.
Okay, I'm gonna show you our setup, our final setup. We have a lot of different configurations when we're doing camping, either motor camping, and of course, you know, we pull a Aspen Classic camper with a king size bed behind Big Easy, and Kate has a Can-Am trailer that she pulls behind JetBlue. In this configuration, we decided to use our side room. Kate, what's the name of this side room thing called?
Party room.
The party room, that right there, as a garage because we're expecting rain tonight. So, matter of fact, let me back up so you guys can see. So if we come down this driveway here and you look up, there's the party room. Just an awning that comes out and our bikes fit under it, just in case there's any rain tonight. We have to worry about getting on the bikes tomorrow because we're going to ride tomorrow. But skies are clear. We're not expecting any rain, but this is what we do. We have a lot of different configurations. And this awning here that's coming directly off the front of Patches right here, it's kind of where we just lounge area, sit down and lounge. Of course, you see we have an RV rug. This is actually a 9x12. We just got it folded because this don't need to come all the way out there because we have just like this. And this actually came with our classic camper when we got it. Came with it. We just bought new poles, easier to use. And Bubbles is on this side. Another configuration we have, we can actually put up, is actually inside of Bubbles. We can put up our 10x10 easy up with a room inside of it. When we do our super full setup, we normally have the easy up attached to here, and then we have the room. What's that? I'm forgetting everything. What's that room called? I think that we hook up to the easy up. What's it called? The cube, right? Yes. Yes, we have a cube. So we walk right out of Patches, walk right into the cube. If I could find any pictures of us having it up full, I'll put it in here. We love it. A lot of configurations. You guys know we live on our motorcycles. Well, not literally. We still have a home, but we very seldom home. And if we don't have this up, we don't have the party room up, we have awnings that's hooked. It's not like Kate putting one up now. That hooked right here that cover this. And as you can see, the windows come down. This one come down. This is where the bed is. Okay, let me go over here, see what she's doing. Yeah, she's putting up the rear awning now. This is where our head is when we sleep. And it's also an escape hatch. If we need to just unzip it, we can bail out that direction. Just in case we run into the bears. So, let me go over here. And today, instead of setting our camp kitchen up, because this table, as you can see, a table wheelchair accessible, and it's easy to cook standing right here. And we're gonna cook on this grill, and we have our prep table. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. We haven't set it up yet. Prep table right there. And normally, this is all our kitchen stuff with all our pots, pans, everything we need to survive, if you want to call it surviving. And that's normally over here on the prep table. So this is how I look. We absolutely love it. You know, we live in life the way we want to live life, not worried about what nobody say or do. And we always say one of the purposes of our channel is to inspire you to go out and live life the way you want to live it to the fullest. And I'm going to repeat this quote that I heard from Tony Reno: in this life, live this life. And this is what we do. See, look, even though it's fall turning winter, we have a nice breeze coming through here and still have, or this is the side that's down by the bed, still have this side up and still sleep with a nice cool breeze. Or if it get cold, there's the electric over there, electric box that we have coming in with our portable heater in. So tonight we gotta just wrap things up and get dinner ready. I know we having steaks, well, Kate having fish and potatoes, probably roasted potatoes. I don't know. You know, we don't eat freeze-dried, pour in the bag food unless we plan on taking a long hike somewhere, and then we'll bring our rocket fuel, our jet fuel, and then we'll cook like that out on the road. But normally we don't take that many long hikes in order to use that. So when we out here having a good time, living, loving each other, we really live it up. Now we seen somebody say, well, that's not motor camping, that's motor glamping. Yes, it is. For sure. We don't mind. Talk about us. We don't care. It doesn't bother us. This is what we love doing. And look at these beautiful colors. Look, watch this. Look at that. The sun is setting on the opposite side, reflecting off the trees with some of the leaves that's still trying to hang on. Because they're going to be gone in a while. Yep, they're going to be gone in a while. So we ready for the next 4 days. How many days we staying here? Next 4 days. Yep. Anyway, that's all I had. Just wanted to kind of show y'all whole configuration. We are here in Oklahoma at Buck Hall Campground, which is on Lake Arbuckle. And this is our 3rd time here. We like it so much. This time we're not down by the lake. This is the paid campground. And of course we wanted that in case it get cold so we can have electric. But y'all know we like the free stuff. Yes. The sun between the trees. Watch this. I'm gonna try to get it without you blind. What's today's date, baby? The 13th or 14th? 13th. Today is 13th, right? Yep. 7 months, 3 days we've been on the road. That's dinner for the night. Look at that. Ribeye steak. What kind of rice is this, baby?
Broccoli cheese.
Broccoli cheese rice.
Shrimp and vegetables. And
Salmon.
Salmon.
Everybody talking about, oh, I gotta eat that food that you put water in. I mean, it's an excellent ones. Mountain House and all the rest of them are excellent, but doesn't compare to real food at the campsite, y'all.
This is our camping kitchen, y'all.
That's what's up.
So we got surf and turf going on here.
All right. Time to eat. Bye, y'all. Okay, that's all I got. See y'all later. Bye. Hang up the phone. Bye. Why are you still here?